Christie Microtiles as a description for a product is brand new technology. We're actually taking two mature technologies, combining them into what we refer to as a new technology. It's a small cube, 20 inches in diagonal, 16 inches wide, 12 inches high, 10 inches deep. It sounds like a small box, but it's an extremely high resolution, high light output, high color saturation product we refer to as a tile. It's very portable, very applicable in all kinds of design applications such as architectural design, digital signage, out-of-home advertising. It's pretty much unlimited in its market capabilities. We can put it anywhere. It's viewable at any angle, viewable at any distance, and it can be created into almost any shape or size that you can imagine.
Microtiles do is they provide displays that can be any shape. They can be tall, narrow columns. They can be long ribbons. They can be diagonals. They can be stair steps. They can be hollow donut shape. They can be any shape you want. And what that does is it provides a content provider the ability to create new kinds of content that couldn't be done on normal 16 by 9 or 16 by 10 displays. That means is the message, the image, the idea that the content developer or the architect or the interior designer wants to get across can come across in a way that's engaging, that's exciting, and doesn't get tuned up by the people that want by, but is eagerly sought out by them.
The color, because we're using an LED illumination system, you get colors that just weren't achievable with display technology before. It creates such a vibrant experience. It's something that really needs to be seen to be appreciated. The resolution, I'm sure we've all seen LED walls, which look great when you're driving down the highway and they're a couple hundred yards away. Get within 20 feet and all you see are the pixels. Watch the halftime at the Super Bowl, and in the background there's always an LED wall. And when they do the long shot, yeah, you can see whatever it is they're displaying, the singer, whoever it is in the band. You do a tight shot, and all you see are a bunch of little dots behind the person. With Microtiles, we have so many pixels per square inch. That goes away. You get up close, you see an image, and you know what you're looking at. And then the flexibility is whatever size, whatever shape you want, grab them, slap them together, and hook up your sources, and you have an exciting visual environment.
If I have a 42-inch or a 46-inch flat panel display that is 1920 by 1080, and I go and pick up an 80-inch display, a 92-inch, a 103, a 105, there's still 1920 by 1080 pixels in resolution. We're not like that. If I create a 2x2 with our Microtiles, we're at 1600 pixels resolution across. But as I make a larger screen, I'm adding 800 pixels each time I'm doing this. By the time I get to 103 inch, I'm at 4 million pixels compared to the 1920 by 1080.
We have a patented technology that allows each microtile to know where it is in respect to its neighbors, which means that when you configure microtiles, you just simply snap them together, connect them together. Each tile picks up its own piece of the image automatically without anybody having to tell it what to do. This is one of the secrets to allowing these marvelous devices to go together quickly by non-experts in any configuration. It also means if you want to change the shape or the configuration of microtiles, you can take a microtile off, move it somewhere else, and within seconds the display will adjust for its own new configuration and shape. Do it automatically without human intervention.
Christie Microtiles were designed for many applications. Originally, we had just one idea in mind, that was just the digital signage marketplace. However, we found over a period of time in the last 6 months, architectural design is one of our main applications. In my opinion, that happens to be the big exploration in where we can go. We can become part of a facility, part of a description, part of the architecture, part of a building. We can blend into the background of absolutely anything that any architect could possibly create.
How can we make microtiles as easy as possible for systems integrators, for architects, for interior designers to use? And we came up with a tool called Microtiles Designer. And it enables somebody to start with a picture of the environment or a rendering of the environment that they want the microtiles to go into. The customer or the designer can actually draw the microtiles into this space in whatever shape they want. Then they can simulate what the content is going to look like in that space, and then when all that's done, the customer will know the size, the weight, number of tiles, cables, the power consumption, the heat consumption, all the important details that somebody who's planning an installation need to know. And it's all done with one simple tool that Christie provides free for our customers.
We're awash in a world of video already. People have trained themselves to ignore the rectangle. With Microtiles, you can do something different. You can do a shape that nobody's seen before. You can create an environment that nobody's seen before. You can create an experience that will grab people's attention. And that's really what it's all about.